Hello, I'm the founder Sienna Wright from Monarch High School, and I've been working closely with my partner Shrikar Kaya from Peak to Peak Charter School to bring you the new medical device of the century, Wound Watch. Wound Watch is disrupting the consumer wound care market with a simple, non-invasive bandage that allows parents to monitor their child's health to catch signs of infection early, giving parents peace of mind. With easy application and removal, we are bringing medical technology currently only found in clinics directly to your home. Infected wounds affect millions of people every year, with estimates around 6.5 million in the US alone. When it comes to wound care, children are not just small adults, because their immune system and skin thickness is still developing. Pediatric patients are much more prone to harm from infections that may be considered minor in adults. Since many of these wounds do go untreated for so long, it can lead to complications and in some cases, even hospitalization. While smart bandages do currently exist, they are only available in clinical settings. These clinics tend to use things like nanosensors and wireless electronics that are not accessible to the everyday person. There is no product currently in the personal care market that allows for people to detect infections early. Through our research, we combined in microbiology and biochemistry to detect infection in real time using a pH-responsive layer. Here's a quick example from my partner on how that works.
This is a demo of our product. I first began by boiling red cabbage, chopped up for about 13 minutes on high. Then I prepared our 3 solutions: lemon, non-concentrated, water, and baking soda. I then strained the cabbage and submerged our cloth/bandage into the solution for about 10 minutes. I stirred this evenly to ensure all parts were submerged and nothing was left uncovered. Then after 10 minutes, I removed the liquid and placed it down on a plate before lining it with our 3 solutions: lemon, water, and baking soda. I then began with the main experiment, where I started with the lemon water and poured it on, producing a pink and yellow color. Then with baking soda, which produced a green/yellow color. And then finally water, which produced a light blue, purple, and green color. This is done as the lemon is most acidic, water is neutral, and the baking soda is basic.
It's a great demonstration from Shrika, and it shows how the cabbage is the key ingredient in getting the bandage to change color when the pH level changes. WoundWatch solves a major gap in the U.S. wound care market by bringing advanced hospital-level technology straight to consumers. Our research with the Children's Hospital and local clinics indicate that physicians believe that most parents wouldn't be able to recognize the signs of infections that require emergent care. We've heard stories and have had first-hand experience with parents who have brought their kids to the hospital unfounded, thinking that they had an infection when they really didn't, and, on the other side, parents who have brought their child to the ER critically ill, not even realizing that their child had a raging infection. By using our pH detection, we are able to alert parents of possible infections, addressing a critical problem that they may have missed otherwise. WoundWatch empowers parents to make faster and more educated health decisions while reducing risk and uncertainty. We hope to give parents peace of mind, one bandage at a time. Thank you so much for listening, and we hope to see you at CU.